Apparently I sent it hard, too hard. Bronco looking small. Buddy, what's going on here? Why are you so short, huh?
No, it's the sand, I think. It's the sand. So.
Oh, it's sloped.
Yeah, I can see
that way.
We
were even height on the pavement, right?
That's it.
Another great day out here on the dunes, and it's the first time testing out the Bronco's new setup. Probably more than anything, the new ICON suspension, EXP 2.5, bigger shaft, bigger reservoir, more oil, better cooling, and valved for some high-speed off-road. We have it set to the highest perch, so it's a 2 to 3 inch lift, as you can see here. But we are immediately gonna go test out the new setup on the whoops, see if it is in fact worth the money, or if I just, got a fancy lift for a couple $1,000s. Here we go, first set of whoops. Next up, first edition. Look at her, sitting all nice and pretty.
Yeah, it looks good from down here, huh? I would have to say so.
Yeah, looking up at it, looks great.
So far, I don't know. I feel like you get that lift, and it does seem like you're getting a good amount of suspension upgrades.
Oh yeah, she definitely is way more confidence inspiring. Doesn't get upset through that stuff. The stock one kind of bump steers a little bit. The rear end is dancing all around, but
feels like a Bronco in mine, and in yours it just feels like a race car.
Yeah,
you're straight.
Yeah, well, 50 in this compared to 60.
Yeah,
or 70 in that.
So I was going a lot slower.
Yeah. Alright, we found some deeper whoops here. Gonna go ahead and run it through here. I think I'm gonna be impressed. Hard to tell how deep these are, so we'll drive over them slow. Yeah, those shake you around a good bit. Alright, so what I'm noticing so far is that the rear end likes to stay a lot more planted. There's a lot more control. The suspension clunk is gone. No more clunking over those whoops, huh?
No more Bronco bucking.
Yep, no more Bronco bucking. It rebounds a lot quicker, so that way, the suspension is ready to take the next hit. So, I think the next course of action, of course, is catching some air.
system, his is 2 inches longer.
What was that? Sheesh! Well, that was definitely over 40.
41, 42.
41. It's almost like it gets up more for some reason. I think we're hitting on a steeper angle here than last time.
And there's more preload on the suspension, but that was really smooth.
Yeah, that was almost too smooth.
Yeah, when
like,
it gets into the travel, it just goes.
Like kind of scary, almost like we're gonna break something else, because that was just.
Well, yeah, because I remember talking about with that one, or you know, the stock suspension, like it goes and goes and goes, and it never feels like it's stopping until it finally just hits the bumps, and then it's like really harsh. This, you actually get that stiff part at the bottom, and you're like, oh, okay, like it's slowing down.
Yeah, you can feel it out, like you're gonna know when you're at the end of it. Versus on the Haas 2.0 on the Sasquatch, it's just like, oh, there we are. We're in the bump.
Like you just keep on going and going until you hit the end of it. This, it's like it progressively gets harder, and that's really nice. And it gets under control a lot faster too.
Oh man, what'd you hit out there? That was a little bit rougher.
Like close to 50.
Okay, yeah, it felt like there was like a metallic something.
I also went a bit further to the right.
I was wondering. I was like, that is a lot harsher than the other jump we did.
All right, so now with the wider offset, we are rubbing up here on the fender and the fender flare. That's good.
When 37's on, you're just gonna have
37s is gonna create some
serious damage potentially.
Yeah,
if you're jumping it.
That is gonna smack up here very hard.
Oh, you can see here where you rubbed.
Oh yeah.
The paint on the tire.
We are rubbing way up there now.
It's weird because I feel like on mine I didn't even rub that much, but you know, I also hit in the same spot with the offset. So it seems like anything where you're offset more than the stock.
The rear looks fine. Oh, nope, we're rubbing too. You can see the line right there. All right, what do you say we send it a couple more times?
I think we got to up it a little bit, up the ante. I mean, after all, it's not my Bronco. I mean, I already went through the paces. I already sent mine. I'll send it again when I get the new suspension.
Right.
Until then, why would I damage what I have?
Right.
Yeah, so
cool.
I'm thinking 60. Yeah, that's fine. Dude, that was sick.
All right, guys, well, we are wrapping up for the day, and well, I guess we have a fatality. Apparently, I sent it hard, too hard, or something's up here. I completely destroyed my rubber bump stop. Yep, that is destroyed. So obviously that shows that we did in fact hit the bumps when we were presumably jumping the Bronco. I don't think that was from the whoops, but we're gonna have to go ahead and talk to ICON about that. Obviously they're probably gonna have to send us out a bump stop. Maybe I do need a set of full-on coilovers, control arms, and trailing arms. ICON, if you're looking for someone to test out your suspension and take it to the breaking point, I'm your guy.
How's that happen?
I don't know. That's
everything else rock solid.
Yeah, that's quite surprising.
It's not only one of them too. So.
I mean, wheels held up.
I thought the tires were gonna be the first thing to go.
Yeah, these are a little less thick than those guys. Lost some bolts from my mud flat. All right, a couple days after the Dunes trip, and I wanted to let you guys know before we finish off the video that I already talked to ICON, and they overnighted me a foam bump stop. Got on the phone with John in the customer service department, and no questions asked, just asked for my address, sent me a new bump stop, and we are good to go. Didn't even ask for my order number or anything. So we are gonna have to take apart the front end to put this bump stop on. Hopefully we don't mess up our alignment too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me test out the new ICON EXP Coilovers. Be sure to drop a comment what you want to see next with this setup, where you want me to test it, any questions you got. But if you enjoyed, be sure to drop a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.